Ever spent hours creating a presentation on Google Slides and then realized you need it in PowerPoint or PDF format right before a meeting? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to convert your Google Slides into PDF or PPT format in just a few seconds. Let's save your day and your presentation. Tip 1. Open your Google Slides. First, open your Google Slides presentation. You can go to Open Google Chrome. Then you can go to slides.google.com. Slides.google.com. So here you must logged in with your Google account and select the presentation you want to download. So here you can see that this is my presentation. So now it's open. Step 2. Click on File menu. Now look at the top left corner of your screen. Click on File. A drop down menu will appear with lots of options. Step 3. Download as PDF. To download it as a PDF, hover over Download and then select PDF document. Presentation will instantly download as a high quality PDF file, perfect for sharing or printing. Now this Google Slides is converted into PDF. Step 4. Download as a PowerPoint PPTX file. And if you want to open your slides in Microsoft PowerPoint, it's just as easy. Go back to same file menu. Mouse over on Download and then click on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now your file is ready to open in PowerPoint. No formatting issue, no stress. You simply save this file on your directory or location of your PC. Simply save. Google Slides is saved as Microsoft PowerPoint file. Bonus tips. Here's a quick pro tip. If you want to share your slides without downloading, just click on Share. So here you can see the share. You simply click on the share and then click on the share button. And here you will get a two option. You simply click on this any one with the link. And now simply copy this link, and also you can change the permission like viewer, commenter or editor. You can change it. Now anyone can view it online without needing a Google account. And that's it. You have just learned how to convert Google Slides into PDF or PPT in under a minute. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Hello Helper and turn on the bell notification and more simple and smart tech tutorials every day.